Yeah. Like, take one down, pass it around, in the tissue box. Sandy needs one.
They need to just come sit next to you.
I know, right? Move your chair, baby.
Yeah, how are you doing your hair?
Yeah, we could do that.
Ow! You look beautiful.
Bye, Sandy.
It's a bodice is beautiful on it.
The only thing I don't love is the slit.
I wanted to see what it would look like.
Ooh, she needs like maybe a belt or something. Yeah.
Oh yeah, to break it up.
You want a belt?
Yeah, let's try a bell.
Yeah.
My hearing amounts are poor, I'm sorry.
Yeah. But
Oh,
This is very like, I feel like
That's like a good combination of this first two.
You're right, it is. A little bit of one, a little bit of the other.
Pockets!
Oh, pockets.
I stole your
Who
veil.
doesn't love a good pocket?
Do you like that?
I don't know. That one's really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
You can throw the second one away.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, wow.
Larissa!
That's
Oh my God, Larissa.
Ooh!
Alright, I love it. Oh my God.
I like that a lot.
Oh my God, it chills in my right leg.
Why do I feel like I've seen that top on you before? Like,
Or something similar for my junior prom.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I do.
I love it.
Maybe if there was sparkle down here too.
Okay, so now
This is the one that's on the mannequin right there.
what?
Ooh.
Oh.
That you like. I like
wow.
definitely.
So in alterations, they would take all this out.
I don't like the top.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
I like the bottom.
Excuse me.
We all got him, honey. It's alright. Do you like this thing right here, though?
Yeah.
Is it okay with it?
Ooh.
You see?
Oh.
Oh, the
this is
sparkles
so
in the
pretty.
bottom are gorgeous. Ooh, I like that.
Okay. This is like a good mix of
Oh, I see that.
yes.
The applique's starting to work its way. Oh!
Told ya.
Wait, so I dropped this.
Oh
Oh
yes.
my God, Larissa.
Natalie.
I told you it's totally different, but I needed to make you a sweetheart.
See, I said the same thing. She's got nice shoulders.
Right,
Show them off.
right. Look at that.
Think she was
Look at
like-
that.
And she's got look at
What did
the
you say? You,
look at her boobies.
What? You mean what?
Why do you have a glow like you got a suntan in there?
I
Something
sent it to
happened.
her yesterday. Didn't I?
Ooh.
Wait, did you try that one on before?
No.
I took the straps out of it.
So she did try it on before.
Larissa.
No?
This one had straps, but I didn't.
Oh, okay.
There were two straps that went over the
Okay.
arm.
Larissa.
The other one did the same thing with the little things here that I couldn't tell what they were, remember?
But that's got pretty
I thought they were
applique.
bows.
And this one
with
has
their
that
leaves.
boning that you asked about.
Larissa.
And pockets.
Yeah, good luck making a decision. Dude.
And your applique is there like you like.
Yes, the longer.
I think that's a winner.
Veil, please.
Yep,
Maybe.
I got you.
Oh my goodness.
Let's take it on that big nose.
The veil's pretty. There is satin up here though. I'll get in line.
Get the tissues. Get the tissues. Maid of honor tissues.
You're gonna get tears on her.
What did you say? I'm saying yes to the dress. Sorry, Elise. I'm getting married.
I want you to make a wish for you and your fiance as you're walking up to him on your special day. And when you are ready, you're gonna open your bell, ring your bell as loud as you can. We're gonna cheer for her as loud as we can, and for every year, it's 10 years of good luck.
So ring that bell like 50 times. How do you feel?
I feel good.
And beautiful. It looks good sitting down too. Bam.
I love
She cries. Look at the red eyes. Just look.
I'm like, oh, she